Friends, if you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. Today I want to show you, just making sure we're clear. I'm just going to show you how to back up real quick. These day cabs, they are short because there's no sleeper, but there's a lot of room back there.
So there's plenty of room for you to view. See, out your back window.
So pretty much these day cabs, they're like a little short than the actual one with the bedding. But this right here can be done, and I'm gonna show you how to back this thing up. And this is the 53/4, so I'm gonna do it with a container. So it goes both ways, a container or one of these trailers. So yeah, the way I do it, hopefully you can see what I'm gonna show you. Just make sure there's a truck coming through. But what I normally do is I like to get like real close, and we're gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna release my brakes, and then you're gonna go ahead and get real close. You don't want to get too close to these containers. So when you're driving, you want to be like 4 feet just about. And then what I like to do is count 3 containers. Okay, that'll pretty much show you the basic. So right now, there's a slot right there, which is 411, and we're gonna do a 90 or 45. See, we're gonna go right in here. I'm gonna show you how to go in there. So what you do is, and you can do this on a sleeper too, day cab, doesn't matter. So what I do is I like to count 3. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna count the slot, and then this is 1 container, 2, 3. That's 3. And then you want to line up your front of the tractor with the edge of the trailer. So then, see that? The edge of it. So you want to go ahead and line it up, the bumper with the edge
Of the trailer.
Alright? I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay. Release the brakes. Boom, boom.
Pull up a little more.
Right there. Just about perfect. And then what you do is go all the way to the right. And then right now, the clock is 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock behind me, and on my left is 9 o'clock. So right now we're going 3 o'clock. Okay, there's 12, all the way 3 o'clock. Go all the way 3 o'clock.
Go wide all the way to 3 o'clock. Go wide as much as you can, as far out as you can. Then you go to 12 o'clock. Then just keep moving forward until you get a pretty decent view.
You look at your mirrors, you're about to see the slot. There goes the slot. See it? There it is. So we're gonna get out and look. Set your brake. Let's get out and look. Alright? So as you can see, I had my front bumper with the edge of the trailer, and this is where I am. So right now we're going right in here. This is where I'm going. Okay, so you have plenty of room. A lot of these places, they don't have a lot of room. So see, you have plenty of room to decide where I'm going. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and then back it up all the way, and then the back of the tandem, I'm gonna make it on this line. And that's where I'm gonna go, right in this line. Yep. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Yep. Just gonna go ahead and back right in there. And then what I like to do is I like to back up with my door open. You know, you can't really do this on a test site, but I like to do it with my door open. And of course, steering wheel, bring it up a little so we have room. Reverse, release the brake. So then I'm going to straight back a little bit. Straight back a little bit. Straight back a little bit. And I'm going to start cutting the wheel a little bit. So once you see it turning, then you straighten out. Straighten out, straighten out. Cut your wheel. The wheel. Straighten out. Straighten out. See, I'm going right in there. Straighten out. Straighten out the wheel. So pretty much it's like quarter turns. Then a little quarter turn. See that? See how my tanders are on the line? And there you go. Close the door. Then you can stop. And then you can move forward. You pull forward. And then you go. See? Pulling forward. Pulling forward. And that's it. Yep. My mirror. That's it. And then, see it on my mirror? Just back it up. Back it up. Line it up. See it on my mirror? After a while, you'll get it. You'll get it. You'll get it. And just back up in there. Make sure you don't hit anything. And you can pull up as many times as you want. That's perfect. Yep. See that? Boom. Right there. Like my other edge. Perfect. Perfect. Show you this. And there it is. See? Perfect. See? So what you do is take out the slot and then you go 1, 2, 3, and then you line your front bumper with the edge of the trailer.
Then you turn towards the right all the way to 3 o'clock. Make sure you're clear in front of you. Go to 3 o'clock and then you end up at 12. Then straight back.
Straight back. Actually, yeah, on the 90, 45. And then you can always, you know, come out in and out. And that'll get the job done. That'll get the job done. So there it is. And hopefully we will do it again with better cameras and stuff, because I'm just using the phone to do this. So there it is. It's not that bad. All right, peoples. So don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you all. Love ya. Later.